College of DuPage, we had an overwhelming demand for what's called hydronic heating and control strategies. So what we did in response to that was come up with a hydronic training system that would allow our students to not only understand proper piping strategies, but to get a feel for the different control strategies that exist in the hydronics arena. What we see here is a pump test header that we can put in and remove pumps in a matter of minutes to see how they actually perform against one another. We also have different mixing strategies, zone controllers, and types of radiant loads that we can disperse heat from. What you see here is one mixing strategy, and to help exhibit that mixing strategy, we've put in flow sight indicators that allow students to see how fast or how slow that valve allows the hydraulic of water to mix hot and cold water together to temper water to the desired comfortable temperatures that thermostat or equipment is calling for. And what we wanted to do was create something that could show every control strategy for hydronics in America. So with each of these boilers comes a load. Students have to be able to understand what the capabilities are of each one of these pieces of equipment. So we've put in load dump areas so that when you design and size your control strategy, you can also simulate the load that it would experience in the real world.